Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Traders. Today I'm gonna explain some of the strategies. Today I'll explain one, but in this channel I'll explain you different strategies, that how you can reduce your risk, how you can earn in the weekly options, monthly options. So today I will discuss the iron condor strategy. So let's get started with the video. Suppose one of the share price is 75. Suppose one of a share is moving in the strike price of 75 rupees. Okay, so we already expected कि in a month or weekly, if we are applying weekly strategy or we are applying monthly strategies. So let's take with the first monthly strategy. So suppose the share is moving in 75 range. Okay, so we have notified that it will move in this particular region. For example, we are expecting that the whole month it will be around 60 to 100, in this 60 or 90. Let's suppose 60 and 90. Okay, so at the end of the day of expiry, if it is moving in the range of 60 and 90, because the strike price was 75 when we sold it. I'll explain you what I did. 75, we know that it will not go up by 60 or it will not go by 90, so we sold it out of the money options. Out of the money means if the share price is moving 75, we are selling the out of the money. Out of the money means 75 is the range and we are selling above that call and above that put. So as you know that in the end of the month, the expiry, the out of the money call premium will be 0. So while selling the 60 and 90 put, they will be 0, and we will get, for example, they are some around 3 rupees of premium for both the things, so we'll get 6 rupees of premium. Okay, this is, and I'll tell you what is the risk related with it. The different risk related, I will make you understand in the next video. Different risk related. I will tell you one of the risk which is related with this. So for example, we have expected that 60 and 90 is the range. Okay, we have sold out of the money call and we have sold out of the money put. This is, suppose we have expected that it will be in the range, in this range, but if it crosses that range, so what we have to do is we have to hedge the position. And then what we have to do in order to that, this is the first risk. Okay, if it goes above 60, so then will be a loss, right? Okay, because what we have sold, it is moving upside and then it is taking our profit. So what we should do is, as we have sold the both call and put, so we'll buy out of the money call, we'll buy out of the money put. Okay, so that if the price goes up, at one point of time we are losing the sale which we have sold it at 60, but we bought 50 rupees or 50 strike price of premium. Okay, so once the move will premium will also increase, so that we are safe. Okay, this is called hedging. Call or put, we both will buy. We sold the 60 strike price premium and call 90 strike of call. Okay, in the same way we'll buy 100 of call premium and 50 of put premium. So as soon as if they cross any of the strike price, then we should not get much of a loss. This is what called hedging and iron condor strategy. So that the thing is that we have to reduce the risk, because we cannot buy a naked call. So this is the iron condor strategy for this video. Next strategy I will tell you in my next video. If you like this strategy, please like the video, subscribe. If you are new, please subscribe my channel, and if you wanted to see more of my video, please press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of my next videos. Thank you.